Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can delete the text in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. What you need to do next is click on any group messages or text from your friends which you want to delete. So let's suppose I want to delete this voice message over here. I'll just go ahead and tap on it and you can see the delete icon on the top. Go ahead and click on it and you can see there is a message that if you are sure you want to delete this message, you can click on delete, but it will only be deleted from your side. It will not be deleted for everyone, but if you want to delete it for everyone, you can see this box over here. Go ahead and click on this box and click delete. As you can see that the message will be shown that you deleted a message, but your message will actually be deleted as well. So I'm going to show this process to you. Once again, click on any text from your friend or a group. Click on the message you want to delete and you can see the delete icon on the top. Go ahead and tap on it, and if you want to delete this message for not only you but everyone, just go ahead and click on this box, click delete, and you can see the message has been deleted. I hope this video about how you can delete the text in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.